Hello, welcome back to my channel for a 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have first bad version, and this Leetcode question is really similar to the one that we did, which is binary search. And let's take a look at this question. This question is saying that you are a product manager and currently lead a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the latest version of your products fails the quality check. Since each version is developed based on one previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. So suppose you have n versions, 1, 2, all the way to n, and you want to find out the first bad one, which caused all the following one to be bad. And you're gonna use the is bad version, input a version number, and to return the Boolean and see if the current location is bad or not. So this is another thing that we can do. We can take a look later. So basically, I make it easier to understand is when you have in a factory, a supply chain, you have like 9 products in here, and the number one product is not bad. So until all the way to 7. And so 7, when you call this is bad version, it will return true. So that means this, starting from here, all the way from the right side is bad one. So what we're looking for is 7. So we output 7 in here. So how do we do? And this is really almost the same as the binary search. So let's take a look at the code. So start with I star is equal to 1 and int n equal to n. So we search the number from 1 to n, and while star less than n, what we need to do is have a midpoint. Let's take a look at the code again. So if 7 is the bad one, we don't go through one by one to check it, but instead we call the midpoint of the array and to check if 5 is bad. So it's false. That means everything on before 5, we don't need to check it anymore. So we can shrink down the range by half. So it's really fast. So the midpoint is what we do to find the midpoint. Is equal to star if, now the condition is if version midpoint. So if this is a bad version, then we if this is a bad version, we have to make the ends equal to mid, right? Else, so if it's good version, we need to make a star equal to mid plus 1, starting from the one that behind that midpoint. So this way, after the while loop, we will keep swinging down the range until to put the number at start point. So keep going down closer and closer, and at start point is the one that we're looking for. So if it's bad version star, so if this one is bad, then we return star, and otherwise that means we don't have a bad version. They're all good. So return, you can't find the bad version. So we will return -1. Okay, let's take a look. Cool. It looks good to me. Yeah. That's it. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will get to you as soon as possible. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.